Good morning, students. Today we'll do the chapter Doctors and Diseases. So when we fall sick, we go to a doctor. And some doctors have specialized in some body part and they treat that accordingly. So in this chapter, we will read about the diseases and the doctors who treat, the special doctors. Now, when you have a toothache, you go to a dentist. Madhu is so nervous that she faints every time she has to take an exam. She is being taken to a neurologist. Neurologist is the doctor who treats the nerves. Sam's mother is going to have a baby. She must consult a gynecologist. A blood test is done by a pathologist. An ear, nose or throat problem is treated by an ENT specialist. A baby named Anjali is ill. She is being treated by a pediatrician. An orthopedist checks our bones. Then next is a medical operation is done by a surgeon. When I need any x-ray of an injured body part, I visit a radiologist. John is suffering from a heart disease. He must go to a cardiologist. Jackson developed sudden rashes on his hands. His mother is taking him to a dermatologist. Before any surgery, anesthesia is given to the patient by an anesthesiast. So now beta, these are the various doctors who are treating us when we are falling sick. Like when you have a toothache, you go to a dentist. When there is some nervous problem, you go to a neurologist. When there is a baby to be born, that will go to a gynecologist. And if you have to do your blood test done, then you go to a pathologist. If you have problem in ear, nose or throat, then you go to an ENT specialist. And beta, when you are a baby and you are sick, then you go to a pediatrician. And when you have your bones, some problem with your bones, you go to an orthopedist. Now, when you are going to a medical operation, there is some operation to be done, then just surgeon does it. And when we need an x-ray, like if we have a broken bone or some part of a body is not functioning, doctor says get your x-rays done. Then you go to a radiologist. And when there is a heart problem, then you go to a cardiologist. And there is some rashes on his hand, some skin problem is there, then you go to a dermatologist. And before any surgery, beta, anesthesia is given, where the patient is lying unconscious. He doesn't know what is happening with the body. So anesthesiast gives the anesthesia. So these are the various doctors who are treating various diseases. I hope you have understood. Thank you.